Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy R3DMisT coming back at you again with another video. Well, this is the first snow of 2018 at the Penland residence, and yeah, it's coming down a little heavy right now, but not real heavy. It's not really that cold out here either. It's so beautiful. But yeah, we just wanted to give you guys a look at the snowfall that we got. And we'll direct our attention over here. Well, got my dog playing over here. I don't know if you guys can see her or not. Molly! Come here, girl! There she is. Alright. Signing off. 2012. 2018. We always keeping shit live out here, you know what I mean? Later.